How did the Capleton and Sizzla link come in at this time here now?
Well, the Capleton link now, a brethren used to there name Pound, Dirty Pound. He used to have a son named Ninja 1000.
Okay.
Yeah, so him grow with Capleton from long time. As Capleton good brethren, so him give the link with Capleton now. The link with Sizzla really is what if the famous gate man
Gilly Priest?
Gilly Priest,
yeah.
We go Jamaica and we check. No, Sizzla now, my vice Sizzla basically from, you have to call it before me even I grow locks, Because we vice Sizzla, we're Jaro. We're Jaro player. First time we hear White God. Pancho from 4x4. Pancho vice me first to Sizzla.
Okay.
Yeah, even at the injury here, Ali Cat said brand new thing on the block. Nobody even really know who name so.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And then we go Jamaica now. It just in our head we need this artist. So somehow we just end up check Gilly Priest and we say Sizzla. We want Sizzla and him say what? And him say come. And we just walk. We're close by. Him just walk. We just walk up the street, Caveman Studio. And the rest is history.
From there.
Yeah, man.
Because I know you guys have a famous three the hard way, which is the Sizzla, Capleton, and Luciano.
Yeah.
How did you guys cut that song there, boss? Because that's a legendary big song.
So to be truthful, after we start Vice Sizzla, we already Vice him, and then Capleton come on the studio, and we just decide to just ask them, say.
Yeah.
And it wasn't even it's like we never have to ask twice. Them just jump, all them song there, we're not even really paid for them song there. Them just jump up and just vice them song there for we.
Yeah.
Because we'd already vice him and vice Sizzla and done, and him just decide to just do it. When them feel the vibe, them feel the energy after that song, till them do it for one more. I can't remember the sound. Right as them finish, them do it for your next song.
Yeah, because that's a classic. When you hear Fresh, especially those times, I'm not leaving the dance until I hear that dub. I want to hear that one.
That's not no put together combination, live, one take, right on spot.
Yeah. Because you remember those times there was no real Pro Tools where people were, you do your part and then no. It's you come in, everybody's passing the mic, a man moves from the mic if it's stationary, and that's how they cut it.
Caveman Studio was really the sound, Is the amp rack string up in the studio with a small little small dot machine or a cassette deck and I saw your record. Yeah, man. The first time we vice Sizzla myself, is a record I play with the rhythm, Yeah, man. Record. We not even ask for the song. Him any man just play.
Yeah.
And me and Sizzla just say, I want that. Just sing a song and say, I want that. That's it. We don't know the song, nothing. Yeah, man.
That was there. Because at this time, because you guys had the Killer Link, you guys were doing the hardcore, but even as you said, you guys, even though you guys were a war song, I think you and Shotman, that time they started to ras up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, what was that transition really about at that time there?
Well, when, just as I said, when we walk Sizzla them and just as I said, our minds are open up to more things in life, and then when just the way the man them the argument, the reasoning, when you sit down with them, it's like I was surprised to see the man them there at Jamaica with less books, where you think they are foreign, and sometimes some leave with the knowledge you may get is like it inspire me. So it's like I go Jamaica for cut Sizzla, I'm gonna get you. I bring back the money.
Yeah.
We not cut nobody else. Yeah, because them time you have time when we used to go and we just cut Sizzla and Capleton and we not cut nobody else. That's it.
Yeah.
If we not get them in our vice, no song.
Even though you guys were still a big Clash song, but I guess this is how you guys were introducing those artists into the Clash from the Canadian side.
Yeah, man. Because we see it say, as me say, you want me know. Even King Turbo was ahead of us with Foundation, right? So when we get the opportunity from the Rasta side of it, we not drop no catch.
Yeah.
We say, we are free. We are take lead from this part of the game, Yeah, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.